Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I want to give y'all an update on my experiences with the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Been using it for a few months now, and I just want to go over some things I've been liking about it, some things I don't. Have a friendly discussion while we do a little vlog. Again, I like doing these vlogs because I can test out the cameras, which are a big deal for cell phones and people that actually buy them. This is the Pixel 9 Pro XL rear cameras. I'm shooting in 4K at 60 frames. It is the mics on the phone, so I don't have any external mics. So how do I look? How does everything look? How does I sound? By what I'm seeing on the phone itself, it looks really good. But let's get into it. I picked this up. I got it from T-Mobile, and it cost, what, $999, something like that. If you have it, let me know if you enjoying it or you like the color you got. Now, on the overall build, I do love the build quality of this phone. I just wish the sides were not shiny. I don't want a shiny side, but it is what it is. That's the only drawback I have. I do like the build. I like how it just feels in your hands, and it's a solid phone when you look at the build quality of it. I love the display. The display is great. It's a big display. So yes, you can get the 9 Pro and have a smaller screen if you like those type of small screens, but I do like the bigger screens on cell phones, so I'm definitely enjoying the screen size of it. Now, the only complaint I have, it does get bright, but in the sunlight in Texas, is it the brightest? I will say no. I don't know, something about it is not as bright as other phones on there, but it's not a deal breaker. Watching YouTube videos, doing your normal stuff on your phone, you're gonna love the display. And it's big. If you like big phones with big displays, then you really might want to get this phone. Using this phone as an everyday phone, and which means like making phone calls, texting on it, speaker calls, Facebooking on it, just the normal things you do on your phone. It does all of that very well. Google is building a little ecosystem with everything, and they work well together. The only thing I don't like the Google Watch 3. I mean, it just looks small, and I don't know. My Samsung Ultra is just a whole lot better, and it actually pairs well with the Google Pixel. I'm actually using that right now. I've been using this as a daily driver along with my iPhone 16 Pro, and actually make a great couple. It's actually a great couple. I have iOS and Android. Now, the fanboys might get mad at me. A lot of them are saying that this is the phone of the year. And I'm going to just say, nah, it's not. In my opinion, it's not the phone of the year. It has great qualities on there, but the cameras are good. As you can tell now, the cameras are good. You can work with these cameras. You can do a lot with these cameras, but there's other phones out there, the iPhone 16 Pro, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, I'm gonna even say the Z Fold 6 has better cameras on here than what this phone has. But again, Google is known for photos. It takes great photos. The video is a lot better than what it used to be, but it's overall, I say that there's other phones that does a better job with everything. But again, if you're a Google fanboy, or if you're coming from Apple and you want a simple phone, look no further. Pick up the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and you'll be very happy with it. Battery life has been good. I can get through a day and a half with no issues. Android 15 has been good. The Tensor chip on here has been good. That's another thing where you can see the difference between Snapdragon and Samsung, and then Google and the Tensor chip. When you try to upload videos or process videos on here, it just takes a little bit longer than what you would do on like the Galaxy phones. It just does. Not a deal breaker, especially if you don't try to edit videos on it or even upload videos. Not a big deal. but if you're running a YouTube channel, it can slow your process down. Could I recommend this phone to folks? Yes, I would recommend the Pixel 9 Pro XL to a lot of people. Someone especially coming from Apple, this is my go-to phone. Like, pick up the Pixel 9 Pro XL. You really will enjoy that phone. If you're coming from Apple, the use of everything, the ease of use is very good. So yes, there's a lot of things going for this phone. I'm enjoying it. Do I regret picking it up? Nope, not at all. Also, it has water resistant wireless charging. It does charge pretty fast with the wire charging on here. So again, it checks off a lot of boxes that you have. The speakers sound great. I really don't have any major complaints about this phone. Now, my question to y'all, do you have the phone? Do you pick it up? Did you trade it in? Did you return it? If you did, leave me some comments. Let's have a friendly discussion. But hopefully I touched everything that y'all was looking for in the video. Again, how does this video look? And how does I sound? I know my voice is horrible, but how does everything look and sound on here? Because again, the video cameras on the Pixels have been stepping up, and I think the proof is right there. So again, I just want to wrap up this video. If you like the video, if you like these styles of driving around, please let me know. Also, if you like, you know, the channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that follow button, the subscribe button on there. Follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, y'all, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.